Here she is. This dealer tag. We got our Model 3 Tesla right now. About to take it for a spin and make it do what it do. Are you guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready for it. It is clean.
Oh yeah. Start up. You just got to get in there and put your foot on the brake.
All right, let's get it.
It's yours.
Let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. Y'all ain't ready. Jesus. Still learning this thing out. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
So, don't worry about the tire pressure. People didn't put the wheels on right.
It's already started, right?
Yeah, we just got to put it on the brake.
It's on the brake already.
There you go.
So,
Now I got it.
still learning this thing. This thing is ridiculous.
Turn left, take the Interstate 495 North Road toward High School.
Oh, I gotta take the exit.
In 1,000 feet, take exit 51 on the right.
Surgical with the new chopper. 100,000 on my flex mode. We got all the work, we make your trap close. Gang having loyalty, we 10 toes. Nah, nobody giving up what with the gang for. DJs need to listen to the models. You ain't got no fucking Yeezy, it's a ride on. Stupid, what the hell do I? Me see red, being bad around me, got one in the head. Shot the people know how we played them. Hollow to hungry, they ate up your leg. I was just dropping shit, little word in. Now I'm in the hills, can't spell when we stand. I can't go out like I'm Tony, you can't sneak up on me. I got the whole word in my hand. Said how we treat the opponents, I'm still undefeated when we talk about it in bands. It's like the Memphis, I slide when I land. Try on the hill fan, I knew I was gonna catch a body at 10. Gotta hop on them feet every time that we spin. Wanna give them my gang, call me, they was on the reason my chain off.
Nah, song took over that light.
Oh, that light was empty?
Yeah, no.
Just hit it, show him.
Woo!
Yeah. Yeah.
You can take the right. Oh, that guy's merging.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the niggas saying, God saying, at least it's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet.
Alright, y'all. I'm not, no hands on the steering wheel. We're just driving. Very scary. I can sit here and just take a nap. Look at this.
I like the post so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands and I breathe. She just gun ain't gon' jam when I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit out the heat up to the children, but I send it here while I show my
Arlington Boulevard.
business, the thing in the office. I fuck around and found me a trap and I called up, they call for my heart, they making me off.
Good?
Yep.
Yo! That was 0 to like 80, bruh.
Yep. Fucking nuts.
Ready?
Yeah, you.